Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get free healing potions in Windrose. Healing potions are one of the essential items that'll help you through your journey in Windrose. However, crafting your first healing potion may take time since one of the first ingredients to make it can be found starting on the second island. But there is a way to acquire a healing potion early and it's extremely easy to miss. One of your first crewmates, Galen, is a doctor. What you'll want to do is interact with him. Now, if you're missing Galen in the base, you can select the bonfire first and make sure Galen is settled in your camp. Once you interacted with Galen, there will be a few options to proceed with the dialogue. You'll want to select "Do you have anything from me?" as the conversation option. After this, Galen will give you a healing potion as a reward. You can do this once a day and is extremely helpful if you're just beginning your adventure in Windrose. And that is how to get free healing potions in Windrose. Thank you so much for watching.